Hey, so I'm back again talking about the Jlab True Wireless Earbuds Icon series. These earbuds have actually been really great for me, and they've done everything that I've honestly needed. They have a lot of amazing features, and for $59, I think this is the best bargain earbuds that you can get. Not only that, but they also have really good sound quality. So first of all, I'll just talk about the quality of the earpods. So the quality feels nice, it feels stable. USB jack is located in the back, so you can't lose it. When you plug it in, these lights will tell you how filled up your case is. So let me open that up for you. So right now I have 2 out of 3 bars, which means it's halfway full, but that's more than enough to charge my earbuds. And when they're flashing like that, that doesn't mean it's charging. That usually means it's looking for a signal. When it is charging, though, so I took one earbud out. Let me see if it'll do it. Alright, so usually when it's charging, a blue light will show up on which earbud is charging. So you can see the 3 little LEDs right there. Whatever earbud that's charging currently, a blue light will come on either side and tell you like, hey, I'm charging. It usually doesn't really tell you the battery life, but I'll show you exactly how to find out the battery life for these earbuds. So they're really easy to pair. So I'm gonna grab my cell phone really quick. So this is my cell phone. Sorry for the poor camera quality. So we're gonna go to Bluetooth. Alright, so as you can see right there, I have my Jlab Jbuds Air icon on my list of paired devices, and they pair really quick, like literally as soon as you open it. You see, it's already connecting as soon as you open it, and it's connected, ready to make calls and do whatever you need it to do. So once it's connected and paired and everything, it'll actually tell you the battery life in the Bluetooth settings. So you can always go back and go to your Bluetooth settings to find out what the current battery life for the Jbuds are. And the good thing about these is, even if, for example, if I take one out, the magnet's kind of strong, just to let you know, so you won't lose it. But if I take one out, so I took one out and I close it, we'll go to the Bluetooth settings. It's still connected. I can still play music on this one earbud. This one doesn't have like a feeder system like other earbuds, where if the right earbud is out of service signal wherever it's not around, it'll just like cut off because it can't find the signal. You can actually pair whichever earbud you want, which is kind of useful, especially like if you're in like an office environment where you do need to have like an ear open so you can listen to other people talk, or like maybe take phone calls or anything. And it works relatively quick, and it pairs really quick, like you saw in the video that I just did. Another thing about these earbuds is that they actually last you a really long time. So as you can see, it's not actually charging right now, but I actually haven't charged these since yesterday. To be fair, I didn't really use them a lot today. I used them for maybe like 5 hours, something like that. And the blue light did come on to tell me that one of them was charging, but that was about it for the day. It wasn't really anything crazy, but I can honestly say with like fair use, these can last you about 2 days before you have to think about charging it. And let me just plug it in so I can show you guys. So I'm gonna plug this in. I don't even know what kind of USB ports I have on my laptop anymore. Alright, so like I said, it's plugged in, and now it's telling you that the case is charging pretty quick. And once you take it out, you just take the little USB thing and just fold it into the case, and you're good to go. So while that's doing that, so Something that I want to tell everybody, when you get these, they actually come with these pair already connected to the earbuds. These are all great and everything, and you can try out different ones to see which one works for you. But the best ones are these blue ones. They're actually like a foam material, and they absorb sweat, and they actually like I don't know how to say, they like bend to like match your ear or something like that. So if you put them in your ear, they'll actually fit really comfortable and just take the shape of your ear, and I think that really amplifies the sound quality for these earbuds. And like I said, these are touch sensitive. So what was it again? So if you actually put your finger here and hold it, it'll unpair from any Bluetooth device that you have on, and then when it's ready to pair, you'll get a little voice thing that says, "Hey, I'm ready to pair to something else." If you tap it once, it puts the volume up for the right earbud, and for the left earbud, if you tap it once, it puts the volume down, and then if you tap it 3 times, it actually changes the sound modes. So for those who don't know, these earbuds have here we go, custom EQ sound thing. So if you tap it 3 times, it switches between 3 different sound settings. So if you tap it 3 times, it'll go to Jlab signature, which is their specific sound settings for these earbuds, and they work really well. It's not a lot of bass, it just like stays in the middle, gives you like enough of everything. If you do balance, it'll amplify people's voices a lot more. Like it won't sound like as aggressive, I want to say. And then bass boost is just bass boost. So if you listen to a lot of rap and stuff like that, it really boosts it up for you, and it sounds really great. And that's about it. It takes phone calls, so if somebody calls you, tap it once, it picks up. Tap it again, hangs up. Sound quality is really good. The range is also pretty good. You can actually go pretty far away from them before they actually lose a signal. And I think that's about it. I've not had any not that many issues with these. The only issues are sometimes if you have them connected to a Bluetooth device, it'll randomly lose signal. You can usually fix that by disconnecting it and reconnecting it again, but sometimes it can be a headache, especially like if you're in a hurry or you're about to go out and do something. Another issue I found is it'll have an issue locating the left earbud, or the left earbud will have an issue connecting to the phone, especially if you have one earbud already paired. It'll struggle to pair the other earbud on top of that. I don't know, it's really complicated, but it'll have a hard time. But how the earbuds are designed, I guess the right earbud is supposed to kind of detect the left earbud and help it out pair if I'm pairing them separately, and vice versa. But sometimes it does struggle in doing that. But other than that, these have been the best earbuds I ever had. If you look on my phone, I actually purchased some earbuds I'm really ashamed I purchased. Let me see if I can find them. So I bought the JBL Tune 120 TWS. I actually put out a video for this and nobody watched it at all. 0 views for 2 days. And I was like, wow, that's terrible. But they are terrible earbuds. The sound quality is great, but pairing them or doing anything with those earbuds is the worst experience ever, and they're not worth the price. And they do have the little system where it won't, if the right earbud is placed in the charger or is missing, it will not play anything. It'll just cut off completely. So to save money and get the best bang for your buck, these are the best earbuds I think you can buy. If you see these online, especially the Icon series, for $59, grab them. You will not regret it. If you see them for cheaper than that, then grab 2 of them. I don't know. Depends on how much money you have in your bank account. but I think these are the best. And yeah, so if you have any questions, you can just put in the comment section. I'm gonna try and do more videos. This is a new camera setup I'm trying right now. I don't know how the quality is gonna turn out, but I'll give it a go. I've been using my Note 8 for all my other videos. It did a good job, but I still want to, you know, see what else I can do. I might do a review on my Note 8 if I can get a better quality video, because it actually doesn't really show what I want to show you guys. And I think that's about it. I think you can see the little screen burning right here. Okay, if this video gets like 10 likes, I'll try and do a review on my Note 8 on this camera, like what a Note 8 is like after 2 years kind of review. And that's it. If you know any good video editing software, please put in the comment section. Thank you.